Hi, I picked government reports and legal documents for the researching research assignment. And the first thing I did to find information about the government and the documents and all that is I went to Flashline and I went to the library icon and I clicked on databases A to Z. Clicked on and I scrolled down and I found US political stats. So once I clicked on that, it took me to this, and this will give you multiple different things that the US government runs. One of them, agriculture and food. My project is over food insecurity, so this is a good one for me. And I found that they have information on SNAP, which is the Assistance Food Program, and I'm going to need to talk about that in my paper. So I clicked on SNAP benefit cost, and this gives you really it gives you all this information, and it's really good for just the stats that you need to talk about, and it's reliable information, and it'll talk about it more in here. Again, good resource. Another thing that I found is if you just look up .gov websites, anything that ends in .gov is produced by the government and it'll have information on national and state and local government, all in America. So I will look up food insecurity. And when I look that up, all of this pops up. And again, it's produced by the government and it says all of these are .gov. And it'll give really good statistics about food insecurity. And I just found this really helpful. And again, all of it is reliable information coming straight from the government. So, yeah.